Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and welcome to the Daily Rant. My daily rant today, of course, at Microsoft. I think so many times it happens, and I just can't believe Microsoft not realizing what they're saying or to who they're saying it. It has to do with the fact that Microsoft is so out of touch with reality that it often asks users to do things that a user shouldn't, and that most users don't even know how to do. It started last year. Remember that Windows recovery update that failed. Well, here's the document, here's the instructions, here's how you can extend that recovery partition so there's enough space. Do it. So technically, a bunch of people at Microsoft that are so disconnected with the reality of who's using Windows PCs in general have decided that the average Joe out there should know how to do all of these steps and understand that, the Windows recovery environment needs more space. I can already see the what needs what, and what is the Windows recovery, and what is a partition, and you're asking people to change that, which is kind of critical. You don't do it well, and it doesn't boot anymore. I don't know. It's that shows such a huge disconnect, and we've seen it just recently. So just recently, we've got people that installed Windows 11 in their PCs and found out that they have either the October or November updates on it. And so with Windows Update, security updates don't install. Now, they tagged that as fixed without fixing it. I actually ranted at that. But worse, they are telling people, you just have to reinstall Windows. Once again, showing the huge disconnect between people at Microsoft and understanding that an average person that by accident had a computer with those updates couldn't get security updates and has no idea how to reinstall Windows, how to go to do that with, even though you got to give a kudos to Microsoft on one thing, reinstalling Windows or installing Windows has never been so easy. But that easy part is very complicated for most people. And it's, once again, instead of saying, we're applying this change or this fix that will have these updates work again, because I can't believe that you only have as an option to reinstall Windows. There must be a way to work around it and have the Windows updates work. But you're asking people that don't know how to do that, just reinstall Windows. It's fine. Come on, Microsoft. Every time you do something like that, I find it so dumb. I find that, your geeks that are working there are totally disconnected and think that everybody can do it. The same thing with a partition. And I see a lot of geeks like that here commenting, if you don't know how to change your partitions, you shouldn't have a PC. No. You're a geek. Okay? You know how to do it because you're that type of guy, which is a small percentage of Windows users, by the way. Very small. That's one reason tech guys exist and they're popular. So today's rant is Microsoft disconnect, not being able to understand that they're always asking stuff from users that users have no freaking idea. Come on, Microsoft, wake up. You need people that can explain things, talk about things in a down-to-earth way. And, I guess this is why this channel is here, to also help out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.